There we are. This is Fix or Repair John Green commercial opener. Look at that thing. There it is. We got here and opener wasn't working, and we kind of found this just laying there. This would be a completely destroyed belt. So we put that new belt on. I'll come over here. This is at someone's house too, by the way. This is not a commercial building. Lights down. Beast. Look at that moving wall. Uh-oh. Lights out for a second. There we go. Door is gigantic. Voila. Working great. For all your John Green commercial garage door opener repairs, give us a call. 630-673-0007. Check us out online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com or visit us at 650 Ogden, Downers Grove. Thanks for watching Fix or Repair John Green commercial opener.